ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ન્યૂ યુનિટ મેટ્રિક્સ સ્ટાર્ટ કરેલું હતું. એનો ટાઈપ 1 અને ટાઈપ 2. ટાઈપ 2ની અંદર આપણે 3 એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ ટાઈપ 4. If A is equal to 9143, B is equal to 171752, find 3A. If 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to 0, find matrix X. Now A is equal to given 9413, B is equal to given 17512. Here it is given 3A plus 5B. First we have to find out 3A. 39413, 27 3 12 9, 5B 5 1 5 7 12, 5 25 35 60. This is 5B. Now 3A plus 5B plus 2X. 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to 0. So 2A is equal to, first we have to find out 3A plus 5B. 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to 0. So 3A plus 5B. 3A 27 3 12 9 plus 5 25 35 60 plus 2X is equal to 0. 27 plus 5 32, 3 plus 25 28, 12 plus 35 47, 9 plus 60 69. 2X સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે માઇનસ થશે, માઇનસ 2X. 2 સામેની સાઈડ આવશે એટલે ડિવાઈડ થશે, 1 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય માઇનસ 2, that is minus 1 by 2. 32 47 28 69 is equal to X. So X is equal to દરેક એલિમેન્ટને -1 by 2 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય. 32 by 2, 28 by 2, 47 by -2, 69 by -2. This is X. So X is equal to -16, -14, -47 by 2, -69 by 2. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. If 3A minus B is equal to 17 19 12 8. 3A minus B is equal to 17 19 12 8. 2A minus B is equal to 8 8 11 7. Find 4A minus 3B. Now 3A minus B is equal to 17 19 12 8. Second equation, 2A minus B. 2A minus B is equal to 8 8 11 7. 8 8 11 7. Minus plus minus. So 3A minus 2A, that is A. B cancel, is equal to, here minus 17 19 12 8 minus 8 8 11 7. So A is equal to 17 minus 8, 12 minus 8, 19 minus 11, 8 minus 7. So A is equal to 17 minus 8 9, 19 minus 11, that is 8, 12 minus 8 4, 8 minus 7 1, 17 minus 8, 19 minus 11. Okay, so we get A. This is our A. put a is equal to 9481 in first equation, that is 3a minus b is equal to 17 19 12 8. 17 19 12 8. So 3 multiplied by a 9841 minus b is equal to 17 19 12 8. 3 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई થશે. 3 multiplied by 9 27 24 12 3 minus b is equal to 17 19 12 8. So 27 24 12 3 minus 17 12 19 8 is equal to b સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થઈ જશે. So b is equal to 27 minus 17 12 minus 12 24 minus 19 3 minus 8. b is equal to 10 0 24 minus 19, that is 5 5 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. So we get our b also. Now a and b we have to find out 4a minus 3b. 4a minus 3b. 4a minus 3b. 4a is equal to 9841 minus 3 multiplied by b is equal to 10 5 0 minus 5. So 4 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई થશે 36 24 16 4 minus 3 मल्टीप्लाई થશે 30 15 0 minus 15. So 36 minus 30 24 minus 15 16 minus 0 4 minus 15. 36 minus 30, that is 6. 24 minus 15, that is 9. 16 minus 0 16. 4 minus plus 15 19. This is your answer. 6 9 16 19. Here our type 2 is completed. Now type 3. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. એના માટેની condition, multiplication of two matrices only possible when here A, this is B. फर्स्ट नी कॉलम सरखी होय, फर्स्ट में कॉलम जोवानी 3 कॉलम, सेकंड में रो जोवानी. ओनली पॉसिबल व्हेन नंबर ऑफ कॉलम of first matrix is equal to number of row of second matrix. फर्स्ट नी कॉलम सेकंड नी रो बे सरखी होय तो ज मल्टीप्लिकेशन थशे. ना कॉलम छे एटले आपणे रो वाइज ऑपरेट करशुं, रो छे एटले आपणे कॉलम वाइज ऑपरेट करशुं. रो नी अंदर आपणे आगळ वधशुं, कॉलम नी अंदर आपणे नीचे उतरशुं. જોઈએ AB is equal to 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, plus આગળ વધશે એટલે 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ સાથે સેકન્ડ રો 4 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 1, 5 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 2, 6 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 3. હવે ફર્સ્ટ કોલમનો ટર્ન પૂરો, સેકન્ડ કોલમ બંને રો સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 1 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 4, 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 5, 3 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 6. સેકન્ડ રો સાથે 4 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 4, 5 મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 5, 6 multiplied by 6. Now simplification. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 plus 4 plus 9, 4 plus 10 plus 18, 4 plus 10 plus 18, 16 plus 25 plus 36, 1 plus 4 plus 9, 1 plus 4 plus 9, 14, 4 plus 10 plus 18, 4 plus 10 plus 18, 32, 4 plus 10 plus 18, 32, 16 plus 25 plus 36, 16 plus 25 plus 36, 77. This is your A, B. This is multiplication. Let's see first example of multiplication. If possible, find AB and BA. First આપણે find કરશું AB. A 3 2 4 1 3 0 2 0 3. B 2 4 1 3 0 2. ફર્સ્ટની કોલમ જોવાની, ફર્સ્ટમાં કોલમ 1 2 3, 3 કોલમ. સેકન્ડમાં રો જોવાની 1 2 3, 3 રો. સો રો ફર્સ્ટની કોલમ, સેકન્ડની રો બોથ આર ઇક્વલ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ પોસિબલ. કોલમ લીધી એટલે રો વાઇઝ, રો લીધી એટલે કોલમ વાઇઝ ઓપરેટ કરશો. ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ સાથે સૌથી પહેલાં 3 રો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 4 multiplied by 0 0. First column second row સાથે 1 multiplied by 2 2, 3 multiplied by 1 3, 0 multiplied by 0 0, 2 multiplied by 2 4, 0 multiplied by 1 0, 3 multiplied by 0 0. First column no turn પૂરો. Now second term 4 multiplied by 3 12, 2 multiplied by 3 6, 4 multiplied by 2 8. Second row સાથે 1 multiplied by 4 4, 3 multiplied by 3 9, 0 multiplied by 3 0, 4 multiplied by 2 8, 0 multiplied by 3 0, 3 multiplied by 2 6. 6 plus 2 8, 12 plus 6 18, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 9 13, 4 plus 0 plus 0 4, 8 plus 6 14. This is your first answer, AB. Now we have to also find out BA if possible. BA first આપણે રાઇટ કરશું B 210432, 210432. A 324130, 324130 203. Okay, first ની column 2 column, second ની row 3 row. First ની column, second ની row both are different, so not possible. This is your first answer. Now second example number 2. If A is equal to 201 minus 1, B is equal to 3546, C is equal to 3579, then find AB, ABC, BC. First આપણે find કરશું AB. A 201 minus 1, B 3546. Now फर्स्टनी कॉलम 2 कॉलम, सेकंडनी रो 2 रो पॉसिबल, कॉलम लीधी एटले रो वाइज, रो लीधी एटले कॉलम वाइज। फर्स्ट कॉलम साथे बंने रो मल्टीप्लाय थशे, 2 3 જા 6 प्लस 0, 3 1 જા 3 माइनस 4। सेकेंड कॉलम फर्स्ट रो 10 प्लस 0, 5 प्लस माइनस 6, 6 प्लस 0 6, 3 माइनस 4 माइनस 1, 10 plus 0 10, 5 minus 6 minus 1. This is AB. Now we have to find out ABC. Second ABC. ABC. So AB આપણી પાસે છે, એને મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય આપણે C કરશું, 6 10 minus 1 minus 1, એને મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય C. C is equal to 3 5 7 9, 3 5 7 9। फर्स्टनी कॉलम 2, सेकंडनी रो 2, कॉलम लीधी एटले रो वाइज, रो लीधी एटले कॉलम वाइज। फर्स्ट कॉलम साथे 6 multiplied by 3 18, 10 multiplied by 7 70, 3 multiplied by minus 3 minus 3, 7 multiplied by minus 7 minus 7, 5 multiplied by 6 30, 9 multiplied by 10 90, minus 5 minus 9, 18 plus 70 88, 120, minus 8 sorry minus 10, minus 14. This is A B C, second answer. Third BC. B 3 5 4 6, 3 5 4 6. C 3 5 7 9, 3 5 7 9. फर्स्टनी कॉलम, सेकंडनी रो, कॉलम लीधी एटले रो वाइज, रो लीधी एटले कॉलम वाइज। फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट रो 3 multiplied by 3 9, 5 multiplied by 7 35, 3 multiplied by 4 12, 7 multiplied by 6 42. Second column first row 15 45, 20 36, 9 plus 35 44, 12 plus 42 54, 15 plus 45 60, 20 plus 36 56. This is your third answer. Next example, example number 3. If A 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 1 3 3 2 1, B is equal to 0 1 2 1 2 0 2 0 1, and C is equal to 3 2 1 1 3 2 2 1 3. Find ABC. First of all we have to find out AB. 1 3 2 2 1 3 3 2 1 multiplied by 0 1 2 1 2 0 2 0 1. फर्स्ट नी कॉलम, सेकंड नी रो, कॉलम लीधी एटले रो वाइज, रो लीधी एटले कॉलम वाइज। ओके, फर्स्ट कॉलम फर्स्ट रो 0 multiplied by 1 0, 3 multiplied by 1 3, 2 multiplied by 2 4, 0 multiplied by 2 0, 1 multiplied by 1 1, 3 multiplied by 2 6, 0 multiplied by 3 0, 2 multiplied by 1 2, 2 multiplied by 1 2. Second column 1 multiplied by 1 1, 2 multiplied by 3 6, 2 multiplied by 0 0, 1 multiplied by 2 2, 2 multiplied by 1 2, 3 multiplied by 0 0, 3 multiplied by 1 3, 2 multiplied by 2 4, 1 multiplied by 0 0. Last column first row 2 multiplied by 1 2, 3 multiplied by 0 0, 2 multiplied by 1 2. Second row 2 2s are 4 0, 3 1s are 3. third column, third row, 6 0 1. This is our AB. 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 6 7 plus 4, 1 plus 6 7, 4 7, 4 7 7. So 7 7 4 7 4 7 4 7 7. This is our AB. Now we have to find out ABC. ABC. AB 7 7 4 7 4 7 4 7 7. એને મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય C કરશું આપણે. C is equal to 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 1 3. ફર્સ્ટની કોલમ, સેકન્ડની રો. કોલમ લીધી એટલે રો વાઇઝ, રો લીધી એટલે કોલમ વાઇઝ. ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ 3 3 રો સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 7 multiplied by 3 21, 7 multiplied by 1 7, 4 multiplied by 2 6, 7 multiplied by 3 21, 4 multiplied by 1 4, 7 multiplied by 2 14, 4 multiplied by 3 12, 7 multiplied by 1 7, 7 multiplied by 2 14. Second column, first row, 7 multiplied by 2 14, 7 multiplied by 3 21, 4 multiplied by 1 4, 7 multiplied by 2 14, 4 multiplied by 3 12, 7 multiplied by 1 7, 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 8, 7 multiplied by 3 21, 7 multiplied by 1 7. Last column, 7 14 12, 7 4 2s are 8 plus 21. Third column, 4 multiplied by 1 4, 14 21. Now ABC is equal to 21 plus 7 plus 6, 21 plus 7 plus 6 34, 14 plus 21 plus 4 39, 7 plus 14 plus 12 33, 21 plus 4 plus 14 39, 14 plus 12 plus 7 33, 7 plus 8 plus 21 36, 12 plus 7 plus 14 33, 8 plus 21 plus 7 36, 4 plus 14 plus 21 39. This is your answer, A, B, C. Next, example number 4. If A is equal to 2 4 3 1, B is equal to 3 2 7 5, then prove that first A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, AB dash is equal to B dash multiplied by A dash. First, we have to find out transpose. A no transpose, that is A dash. First row, first column 2 4, second row, second column 3 1, B dash 3 2 7 5. Now first આપણે લેશું A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So A plus B dash. First of all, left hand side A plus B dash. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરશું A plus B. Find A plus B. A 4 2 3 1 plus B 3 2 7 5. 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 7 10, 5 plus 1 6. Now transpose it. That means A plus B dash. So transpose करशो 7 4 10 6. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side. A dash plus B dash. First A dash 4 3 2 1 plus B dash 3 7 2 5. બંનેનો એડિશન 4 plus 3 7 3 plus 7 10 2 plus 2 4 1 plus 5 6. Both are equal. This is our right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now second, AB dash is equal to B dash multiplied by A dash. AB dash is equal to B dash multiplied by A dash. First left hand side, AB dash. Find AB. First of all we have to find out AB. A 4 2 3 1 4 2 3 1. B 3 2 7 5 3 2 7 5. फर्स्ट में कॉलम, सेकेंड में रो. बोथ आर इक्वल. कॉलम लीधी एटले रो वाइज, रो लीधी एटले कॉलम वाइज. फर्स्ट कॉलम 4 multiplied by 3 12, 2 multiplied by 7 14, 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5. 12 plus 14 26, 16, 9 plus 7 14, 6 plus 5 11. This is our left hand side. Now right hand side. B dash multiplied by A dash. First B dash we already find 3 7 2 5 3 7 2 5. A dash 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. N is equal to 2, M is equal to 2. Column લીધી એટલે row wise, row લીધી એટલે column wise. 4 multiplied by 3 12, 7 multiplied by 2 14, 4 multiplied by 2 8, 5 multiplied by 2 10, 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7. 2 multiplied by 3 6, 5 multiplied by 1 5. 12 plus 14 26, 7 plus 9 14, 18 11, 26 14 18 11, 26 14 18 11. Now transpose it. This is 18. We have to find out AB dash. So 26 14 18 11. This is our left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is your answer. Here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.